Oh, sister, I believe I found a new theory in science. I believe that if we hold the sticker here, gravity will falls to the earth. She'll cease for a second and the sticker noses in the air. Ready? That's right. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It worked. We looked down, it's straight down, and we looked up, it's straight in the air. Did you see that, sister? Yes. Did you see that? Now let's try this other theory. Let's see. Okay, a leaf.